What's up, everybody? Welcome back here on the channel. It's been quite a while since my last recording. The reason is pretty simple. It's very hard to find new diecast stuff at the moment, especially Hot Wheels mainlines. They are getting the same cases over and over again here for weeks now. I don't know when this ends, but anyways, today we're gonna take a look at some Hot Wheels premium models. As you can see, we do have some models of the new Fast Wagons set and an Audi Team Transport set that was quite hard to find. So yeah, let's get started with this guy here. So let's take a look at the back side first. In one of my recent videos, I showed you the DMC DeLorean set and the Toyota set. We will see them behind these cards at the end of this video. But I just couldn't find the Audi set here in Germany. It seems like everyone is after this set, and it was very hard to get, but now I was lucky. So we have the Audi S4 Quattro and the Fleet Flyer, and I already did an unboxing of my second set that I bought. And so here you can see the Fleet Flyer, and of course this is pretty nice because it is branded. I mean, it's yeah, let's say a very simple deco. Our hauler here is just plain white with some Audi rings here on the back, saying Audi Sport here on this side part and Audi Sport at the front. Of course, all of this back part here is plastic, but we do get a metal base and a metal cap. Unfortunately, this one comes with these gray plastic tires. If you are a subscriber of the channel, what I definitely recommend, by the way, then you know that I'm not a huge fan of these. So yeah, I mean, nice that we have a branded hauler, but yeah, of course, the most important part of the set is our Audi S4 Quattro, and I think this one looks pretty nice. Although also this one here comes with these gray plastic tires. I have to say on this one, I think it's okay because we have a gray car and gray wheels, so yeah, it's okay. But normally I prefer, or I would prefer, I mean, they can do kind of yeah, metallic or chrome coating on these wheels, and it looks so much better, or use white wheels, black wheels, whatever. But on this one, it's okay. Anyways, as you can see, this one comes with a really nice decos. We get these Audi rings here on the back. Comes in, yeah, kind of a racing livery. Nice details on the front, saying Castrol on the bumper. And of course, this is the Audi S4, so it has the number 4 and no license plate, because I mean, this one is yeah, definitely a race car. So yeah, very nice one, and I'm pretty happy that I found one of these. I guess not in every country all the guys are after these Audi sets. I saw many YouTube videos where many of these sets were on the packs, but here in Germany, yeah, pretty hard to get. And yeah, happy to have one of those. So yeah, let's get to this Fast Wagon set. Surprisingly, this was pretty easy to get online. As you can see, we have, as usually, 5 models in our set. All of these were available, but I'm not a huge fan of this Chevrolet SS wagon, and I didn't want the Subaru Forester, so I only bought 3 of these models. And yeah, I would say definitely the coolest one, once again, is an Audi. This is an Audi RS6 Avant, and yeah, this is a new casting. So I already cut this thing open. Nice card art, by the way, and here is our model. So yeah, comes in these, let's say, iconic Audi racing colors, whatever you call that. This is not a race car. This is kind of a special edition or something. And as you can see here on the base, yeah, a bit hard to see because of the glare, 2025. So new casting. I really like this one. The white wheels do look very good. And we also get license plates, of course. You can see that this one comes from Ingolstadt. That's where Audi is located. Yeah, very nice. Recently we've seen many Audis in these colors. Don't mix it up with this one here. This, of course, is also an Audi RS6 Avant, but this one here is the latest version. Then we've seen this, was it the RS2 Avant? Also in this, yeah, Deco style. Then we had the Audi S4 Quattro, and of course this is the same casting as we've seen in our in the latest Team Transport set. So this is also pretty nice pair in my opinion. These guys to the side. So yeah, very nice addition to the collection. As we go on with our Mercedes-Benz E36 AMG wagon. Yeah, kind of a candy apple red, comes with crisp decals, or let's say details on the front. Here on the back you can see that this is a hook assembly model. We only have one rivet on the front, and we get no license plate, unfortunately. But yeah, I think this one looks really good. I like how wide this casting is, and I also think the black 6 spokes are a nice choice for this one. I only have this version. I think there are already two other premium versions of this model. So yeah, let's put this one into the parking lot as we get to our final model for this video, the Volvo 850 Estate. Yeah, this one is really nice in my opinion, except guess what? The gray plastic wheels. I mean, this one, I think with white wheels, that will look very, very, very good. Or maybe black wheels, but these gray wheels, so ugly. I mean, the rest of this model, really nice. I love this blue and white deco with the Volvo logo on the rooftop. And this one, by the way, is also a hook assembly model. I mean, yeah, let's be honest, that doesn't look too good. So we get this blue metal part where the license plate should be. So this looks a little bit weird, but as you can see, we get some crisp details, nice details on the front. So yeah, another nice addition, and yeah, I hope I will find more Hot Wheels models in the next time. So yeah, with that said, thank you for watching, happy hunting, and see you next time. Bye.